Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this little video we're going to be showing you how to change the key case for this is a Toyota car key which has seen better days, and we have a new cover here to swap this over. So the first thing I've done is taken this screw out. So the next step, after taking the screw out, I'm going to prise these apart with that little hole there with a screwdriver. We'll see what we get. So inside there we have the key itself, where the screw I've taken out. I think that should just pop out, hopefully. Ready to go in the new one. There we go. So that just slides out of there. I think the important part is this little thing in here. That will be your immobilizer chip. So this will need to come out and go into the new one. This side is just the battery and the buttons to lock and unlock the car. So we can swap this part over to the new one as well. Okay, so here are the two halves. This is the original side with the immobilizer chip in it, which you would need to take out and put into the vacant hole in the new one if you're going to swap over. So we figured the top of the new one, which is this side, actually clips to the other one quite nicely, so we can still keep the Toyota logo, and I'm going to leave the immobilizer chip as it was in there. But the next step is to take the door locking part out of there, which actually just lifts out of there. It's just held on by some pins on there. Cool. So we have the new, this is the new part with the buttons on it, and that's the part we just took off the old one, and we're just going to put them with the locating holes together. Literally they just sit like that, and then we're going to put the key back into the original one, because we're going to keep the original one. So it goes through that hole. Okay, so we've got those together, and now we're going to, if you wanted to swap the battery now would be a good time, but we're going to leave this in because it still works. And now we're just going to place these two together and clip them together, and then put the screw in. And there you go. That's back together. We'll give that a try with the buttons. You will notice, because we used the original front of the key with the logo and the new back of the key with the buttons, there is a slight size difference between the two. But to be honest, it doesn't matter. We could have used the new part as well, but nice to keep the logo with it. So there you go. We're going to try that on a car now.